Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by verifying your account status and permissions because the APN menu is tied to carrier provisioning. Check the SIM is active and has data service, then confirm you're the device owner or have admin rights. Once done, back up the current APN entries, screenshot or copy values so you can restore if needed. These steps prevent accidental lockouts and give you the credentials you'll need for the next configuration actions. Now you reset and rebuild the APN list because missing or corrupted entries cause the not available error. Go to Mobile Network Settings, open Access Point Names, and choose Reset to Default. If the carrier values don't return, tap Add to create a new APN. Enter the carrier's exact values for name, APN, MMSC, MMS proxy, and APN type. Small typos break connectivity. After saving, select that APN and restart the phone so settings take effect. For final steps, you escalate to advanced fixes when basic methods fail. Try reinserting the SIM, test another carrier SIM to rule out hardware, and if permitted, flash the carrier profile or update carrier settings through their tool. If the APN menu remains unavailable, contact your carrier with the device IMEI and account info so they can lift provisioning blocks. Troubleshooting tip: if changes don't apply, clear the phone and carrier services.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.